Good morning. So here is this week's assembly, and this week I've been thinking about how we've all been going through a really strange time. We spend lots of time together normally, learning and playing, and we haven't been able to do that because lots of us have been apart. And sometimes it's really hard to remember what it was like at Mill Rythe Infant School when we were all together. I know for me it's very strange looking out at the playground and not seeing it full. I can't hear children laughing. I can hear some of them, but not all of them. I can't hear children playing during PE or being really busy in the hall. And at lunchtime, that hall is really, really quiet. Now, we've been away from each other for quite a long time, but there are lots of creatures in the world that also spend lots of time away from each other, and yet they always return. And one of those creatures I have a picture of here, and that is this one here. And this is a monarch butterfly. And every year these butterflies travel 2,500 miles all the way from Mexico to Canada and back again. And they always return to the same place. So it's a bit like us. We all belong to Mill Rythe Infant School, but we're all scattered at the moment, and hopefully we'll come back again soon. Another creature that does that is this one, the leatherback turtle. Now this turtle can travel up to 12,000 miles to get the best food after it's had its babies. So we've been away for a while, and some of us are going to be away for even longer because at the moment it's not safe enough for all of us to be back in school, but we are all part of the Mill Rythe family. So I had to think of a plan. I wanted something to celebrate the fact that even though we're not all in the building, we all belong together. So we are going to create a giant display. We are going to use every single one of the boards in the hall, and they are going to become an under the sea display. Every single child and every adult is going to create a sea creature. Now, they don't all have to be the same. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out a whole list of videos that you can watch and ideas for the types of creatures you can make. But you can make whatever you want. And those creatures are going to come into school. We'll pop out a little box on the playground in the gazebo and one outside the front door, and you can pop your designs in or you can send them in the post, and we will stick them up in the hall, and that will show that even though we are not all in the building, we are all together as one community. So when I was thinking about doing this assembly this morning, I needed to think about a story, and I found the perfect one which shows the importance of looking after our friends and sticking together. So I'm going to share it now, and that story is Sharing a Shell by Julia Donaldson, and this one is published by Macmillan. Love this story. Look, a crab with no shell, running along by the sea. Tap, 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 you can't come in, you can't share a shell with me. Or me, or me. Look, a gull with a wide open beak. Run for your life, crab, hide! At last, in a pool, an empty shell. Quick, crab, scuttle inside. Oh my goodness. One crab safe in his shell, under the summer sun, roaming all over the rock pool in his wonderful home for one. Look, a blob, a bright purple blob. What can this blob thing be? Go away, blob, whoever you are. You can't share a shell with me. He looks a smiley blob. That's a bit of a grumpy face. I'm an anemone, not a blob. Please let me share your shell. Give me a ride to look for some food, and perhaps I can help you as well. Look, a fish with jaws open wide. Fresh crab for dinner. Here goes. One shoots a tentacle, quick as a flash, stinging the fish on the nose. Wow, he's He's really helped his friend. Two friends sharing a shell under a sky of blue, romping all over the rock pool in their wonderful home for two. Look, a brush thing, trying to get in, wiggling and making a fuss. Go away, brush, whoever you are. You can't share a shell with us. He's trying to get in. I'm not a brush, I'm a bristleworm. Please let me in, don't be mean. I love doing housework. I'll suck up the scraps and keep the shell lovely and clean. Three friends sharing a shell down by the sparkling sea, rollicking all around the rock pool in their wonderful home for three. But look how they've grown. The shell is too small. Very grumpy faces. You're getting too heavy, says Crab. I'm fed up with being your taxi. It's time that you found a new cab. Really, says Blob, how ungrateful. Here I am slaving away, scaring off all the fierce fishes. If that's how you feel, I won't stay. Peace, cries Brush, but nobody hears. The other two creatures split up. Blob finds an empty ice cream tub and Crab finds a nice paper cup. Crab in the cup, Blob on the tub. Each one pretends to be glad. Brush, doing lots of housework, knows they are lonely and sad. Look, a storm, a terrible storm, crashing and flashing all night. Two homes smashed on the rocks. Oh, what a terrible sight. But look, a shell, a beautiful shell. Crab and anemone stare, too shy to speak to each other, too proud to say, shall we share? Listen, a voice, and out pokes a head from the whelk shell washed up by the foam. It's ready, I've done all the housework. Climb on and come in, welcome home. He's done a good job tidying up. Three friends sharing a shell, happy as housemates can be, rocketing all round the rock pool in their wonderful home for three. Now, I love that story. And I really do think that captures what we need to do. We need to remember that even though we're not all here, we all belong together. And even though some of us might be moving off to different schools soon, you'll always be part of Mill Rythe Infants School. So look out, a letter will come home soon explaining about our art job, and Mrs. Backler and Miss Stubbs and the other grown-ups are working really hard to set up the hall to change it into a magical under-the-sea kingdom. So I'm really excited to see what you send in. And if you're in school already, you'll be doing this job in school as well, but you can certainly do it at home if you want to. So have fun, have an explore, see what amazing things you can come up with, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye bye.